This is the Meowant self-cleaning cat litter box. Right inside the box, there's the quick start guide, the cat litter deodorizer. First, we have to remove this side cover, and then remove the drum. And then take out this protective foam pad, and then replace the drum. And the lock. And then put the side cover back on. And then this is the litter emptying board. And you'll only use this when you're going to empty the litter. And then this is the waste bin cover, and here's the waste bin. This is where the deodorizer goes. Just take that out and put a deodorizer in here. And then these are the deodorizers. And then you'll put one of these litter box liners in here. And when that's in, you'll place it back in and then close the lid. And then the next thing you'll do is plug it in. And then it will fully rotate once it's plugged in. And then this is where you'll add the litter. And then you'll want to make sure that you don't fill it above here. What's really nice is that there's an app you can download, and it's called AIRPET. And once you register an account, you can link it with Bluetooth. You can add a device right here. And then to connect, you'll press this button for 3 seconds. And when the light's blinking, that means that it's pairing right now. You can add your Wi-Fi settings, and then it will pair to the device. Once it's paired, the light will just be a solid blue color. You can set a timer for it to clean whenever you want. You can also see how much your cat uses it. And then here you can add multiple cats if you need to. So this is definitely a really great feature. And then to start this, I'm going to just throw in some socks to pretend it's the waste. And then to clean, you'll press this button down here. This button right here is to start cleaning, and then the drum will start spinning. And then in here, you open this lid, and here is all the waste. You'll obviously have a liner in here, and you can just pull the bag out. And they also send you 20 liners that you'll be able to put in here. So that will make it a lot easier to empty. And then when you want to empty all the kitty litter out of here, everything, you're going to use this. And you'll just press that back in there like that. And then I'll just put these socks back in here, but like I said, you'll have all the kitty litter in here, and this is when you want to empty everything, and then you'll add new kitty litter next. So you'll press that again. And then you'll just take this back out again, and you'll refill with fresh litter. And then you'll see this other button. This button is to spread the litter flat. And also it's the child lock button. Overall, I think this is a really great cat litter self-cleaning box. I like that it comes with everything that you need, plus the mat as well. The app is also really easy to set up, and setup with this as well was super easy. So I would definitely recommend this.